For as long as I can remember, autumn hasn't been my favorite season. But this year, something has changed in me. I just can't get enough of it. The colors, the holidays, the changes, it's all so magical to me now. Every year it's similar, but this year it feels like I'm experiencing it for the first time. As I've been working for the past few years on living positively and simple, it makes a lot of sense to me to use natural materials for decorating my space. I prefer to make it as close to nature as possible. Pumpkin, or arbuz in Ukrainian, is a big part of our culture. It has nothing to do with Halloween. In fact, for centuries, receiving a pumpkin from a girl meant, "No, I'll not marry you." That's why I keep a couple of them on my balcony, just in case. Besides pumpkin, one of the kings of autumn's fantastic rubs is the apple. With their sweet scent and crisp bite, apples are one of those things that defines autumn for basics everywhere. I'm looking forward to making delicious autumn comfort food: apple pie, baked apples, apple cider. Balcony gardening is another thing that boosts my happiness. It always puts me in a good mood and has a positive impact on my mental health. There is something about digging in the soil and growing living plants that helps me feel alive inside. This autumn, I decided to plant some heathers. They look absolutely stunning. What a diversity of color. As someone once said, autumn is a second spring, when every leaf is a flower, and I couldn't agree more.